guys, this is Jamaline and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm not playing ukulele or anything. What we're going to do for this video is going to unbox Taylor Swift versions of Fearless. Here it is. Okay, I'm so excited to unbox it. But you know, as a Taylor Swift fan, I really love to unbox it. Okay. So I'm going to play ukulele. It's just a props. So what we're going to do is unbox. Actually, we're gonna unbox this one. It's Taylor Swift version of Fearless. And there's an additional songs, 6 songs, and my favorite from her new song is That's One. Have you heard that? If you haven't bought Taylor Swift album, please grab a copy and please support our dear Taylor Swift. Okay, so now let's start unboxing this one. Oh, look. There is the first CD. Okay, there's the first CD. There's another one. Oh gosh. There's another one. I think I broke it. I think I broke it. Okay, that's it. And the cover. She's playing the piano. There is a booklet. I'm going to show you the booklet, the inside of the booklet.